Okay, so from the iPad home screen, we can swipe across to reveal the Power and Storage app icon. And if we tap the icon, we will launch the app. And we need to log in to access the app. So I'll just enter my login details. And then tap login. Then we're taken through to the home screen of the app. This contains the Browse Families section, the featured products scroller, an overview of the solution builder, and also the most common trending terms within the app. We can tab between these featured product segments by tapping the associated segment. So we can see here we have the featured power products, we have the branding associated with Power 2. If we tap through to storage, we have a different set of featured products with the differing branding. Similarly for software, and bundles has its own branding too. And if I rotate the device, give you an example of how the layout can alter dependent on orientation. So now Browse Families has moved over to the left, and we have the right section devoted to the other sections, which we can scroll. If I rotate back, available from every page, we have this main navigation button, top left. If we tap that, it brings out a left pane, and from here we can access nearly all sections from any page within the app. And we can tap that again to close this, and advanced users will be able to swipe across on the app and swipe back to close it too. But we have those two options to open the left pane. If I open up the left pane again, now we'll show you the Browse Families section. So I'll tap on Power, and this directs us to the Browse Families page with the Power tab pre-selected. And this contains all of the family groups which we can browse through. So we have Power, Storage, and also Software. And within each tab we have the family subgroups. So in Software we have AIX, Linux, and IBM I, for example. And we can expand these to show all of the families associated with this group. If I tap back to Storage, and expand one to give you another example. So we have 3 families associated with this subgroup, and if I tap through onto one of the families, we're directed to the Family Details page. This contains the description for this family, its image, and also the associated overview tiles. On this one we have selling points and extended spec. We also have all of the models associated with this family, and if we scroll up, you'll see you have competitive analysis tiles and also the documents tiles, which we can tab between for the different sections. So we have technical and client testimonials. Scrolling down further, we have the links section. So any external website links associated with this family will be here. If I scroll back up, we can navigate further. If we choose one of the models associated with this family, this takes us to the models summary page. So a similar page, but with all the necessary tiles and information devoted to this particular model. So if we scroll down, you'll see this also has links, its own documents, its own competitive analysis tiles, and a different set of overview tiles here. Okay, a different way of finding models and features in the app is to use the search control, and this, similarly to the main navigation button, is available from everywhere within the app. So let's try it from here. If we tap the search box at the top, we can search for a term such as blade, and this brings back every model and feature related to that search term. You'll see there's 237 results for the search term blade, and we have the models at the top. So we can tap one of these models. If we found the one we're after, go for the first one, and again we're directed to a model summary page with all of the necessary information available from here. If I go back, you'll see you can navigate between your previously viewed pages, and also an example of jumping back to another section. If we open up the left pane, and jump back to home, you'll see we can jump straight back to the home page from there. And another page I'd like to show you on here is the bundles page. This is accessible from the featured bundles tab. If I tap on a bundle tile, we'll now see a breakdown of this particular bundle, and we can scroll this to view all of the associated features and models within here. Okay, that's the run through of everything in the app so far. Thank you very much.